I'm going out to see Max. There's the neighbor's dog. I don't know where Max is though.
Huh?
Oh.
What are you doing?
Got the camera on.
On who?
There's Max.
See, he likes you more than me. See, he's trying to get away.
What you doing? Did you end up managing to spill that metal bowl?
Whoa!
Goodness, don't kill yourself trying to get to me.
I got him. I got Max. He can't get away.
Oh God, don't do it yet. What you doing, mister? God, all over. What you doing? Did Daddy, she showed the camera your tricks? Daddy, have you do your trick?
Why are you breaking these things up, baby?
Make them a bit smaller.
Matt, big foot. Come here. You speak? Speak? Come here. Here.
You're full of vinegar, aren't you? Aren't you full of vinegar? Can you shake? So silly, aren't you? Are you silly? What are you doing?
Why'd you put this up here?
Because he was spilling that. He was tearing it up. Really? Can you shake? Can you shake? Shake. Shake. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Really?
You want it?
Hey. No. Goodness. Crazy dog. You're crazy, aren't you? Are you crazy, Max? Speak. He's so crazy.
Ah! Whoa!
Aww. Here, baby.